Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. 90 grams of strong flour. 1 pinch of salt. Where are you watching from? Let me know your country in the comments, I'd love to know. 10 grams of melted unsalted butter. Add 55 milliliter milk, mix well everything evenly combined. Knead the dough with hand. Mash 1 medium boiled potato and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix until creamy and well combined. Roll it out into a circle about 22 cm wide. Mozzarella cheese and spread the potato mixture evenly. Mozzarella cheese. Now bring the edges together and seal everything inside. Heat the pan over low-medium heat and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on both sides. Flip it and cook the other side until golden and the cheese is completely melted. Look at that cheesy golden perfection. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to share it. The combination of cheesy potato filling with a little sweetness of honey is absolutely delicious.